I want to introduce a new feature we added to the Wheel of Fulfillment app this week. So if you log into the app, you will be able to see this FBM stock transfer tab here. It was made for you to transfer the inventory between the base SKU and the FBM SKUs. Well, here is only for Toka currently, but if you have any other brands that want to do FBM, it will be useful as well. So in this page, you can see a list of existing stock transfers we've made. And here you can filter those stock transfers. By default, only those completed ones are showing in the list, but if you can void some existing stock transfers, you can see those voided ones. And you can also filter the stock transfers by the effective date, which is the day when you submit the request. Okay, and here was one cool thing is you can search a stock transfer by a SKU. So say you want to search all the previous stock transfer with TP 2021, and go here and search. You will only list the stock transfers with this SKU. And of course, you can create a new stock transfer. So I'm going to create a test one. Click on this Create FBM Stock Transfer button. And you will be given a list of stores. Right now, it's already only Toka. And you can add a new row, the SKU and the variance here. In this pop-up, you can see how many units of inventory we have for the FBM SKU versus the base SKU. This list is only showing those FBM SKUs. So, all the other irrelevant SKUs are not showing here. So if you want to make a stock transfer, you can select the SKU, and you will be showing this slide, and you can move the left to right. Say if you want to move 5 more units to FBM, you can see this number is in a green color, which means units transferred to FBM. If you move to the left side, you can see it's turned to red. Red means the units can be transferred from FBM to the base SKU. So this is the new quantity for the FBM SKU, and this is the new quantity for the non-FBM SKU. So let's just do one, but you can also put the number here if you want. So you can manually enter a number, or you can make use of the slide. Both will work. But I'm going to only do 1 unit, and 1 unit of 2021 as well. Okay. And here you can put a reason, like why you want to create this stock transfer. I will just do test. So that's it. That's how I fill up a stock transfer. This will transfer 1 unit of both 0296 and 2021 to FBM. So this is like how you manually fill up this form. You can also do a spreadsheet upload. So you can download the template here, and you can fill up the data. The template is like this. It's pretty straightforward. You only have like 2 columns where you can put the SKU here, and you can put the number here. If it is a positive value, it's going to move those units to FBM. If it is a negative value, it's going to move them away from FBM. The example is like this. This will move 02961 unit to FBM and move 1 unit of 2021 away from FBM. So you can just save that spreadsheet, upload from here, it will automatically fill up the form for you. Okay, so I have everything here. I can go, maybe I want to do a negative one, just show you the difference. Maybe -2. Okay, never mind. So by confirm, you can you can see this pop up, and just make sure you entering the data correctly, and you can go continue. In a few seconds, the stock transfer will be made in our internal inventory system, and I can see in this page, this is the details page of the stock transfer you just made, which you can see the name. This is ST0148. This is a number from our internal inventory system, so you can refer this to any of our colleagues and we will know what you're talking about. And here you can see, in the app, the green color means transfer to FBM, and the red color means transfer away from FBM to the base queue. And these two numbers are the updated FBM inventory. So after this transfer, you get 91 units of 0296, and you get 37 units of 2021. If you have your mouse on this number, you can see even more details, like how many units of the base SKU before and after this transfer. Of course, you can go and void this FBM stock transfer, which will basically just revert it. And also, after you make a successful stock transfer in the app, please notice it will take up to 1 hour for those changes to be sent to Amazon store. So you won't be able to see this change immediately in Amazon, but it's an immediate change in the app and our internal inventory system. So if you want to have a full list of the updated FBM inventory, you can also click on this button here on the left side. This button will load the latest FBM inventory for you. You see, this is 9137. This is the the updated inventory. Yeah, and one last thing I want to show you is there will be kind of notifications from the app. So when you create a new FBM stock transfer, you can expect to see an email from the app like this. It shows all the details of this stock transfer, who made the stock transfer, what's the date, and I want to void the test stock transfer I just made, so I can click into that and I can click on the void stock transfer, and it will be voided in our system. And by voiding an existing stock transfer, you will get another email as well. See, this is going to be another email you can get if you void the existing stock transfer. Yeah, I think that's it. Please give it a try next time when you need to move stock between FBM and the base SKU, and let me know how it works. Thank you.